Welcome back, YouTube. So today we're doing a very many things. First off, my carpet, it looks marvellous. I know. Then we've got Monroe, a bit of hammerite in there, and the parcel shelf, which is over here.
You can see that bit there, can't you?
Again, it looks amazing. Looks factory, that does. Jake's also bought a Costco sticker for his Costco, in case you need some toilet roll. But the big problem is, the first time Jake actually drove this Mini, he done this. If you can't tell,
well, you know,
it's a little bit broken. The story goes, it was out dogging and
no, I was attacked.
It was attacked by a beaver, which is actually a badger, because we don't have beavers over here.
I said no, badger, yeah.
Yeah, he is looking
Badger.
for that dogging and beavers.
Badger.
Just before he was caught, he made a getaway and smashed the Mini up. So yeah, so we need to change the bumper. What do you have to say about yourself?
Well, it was the badger's fault.
So obviously he's donated to the RSPCA as there's a dead badger. But here is the new bumper. New from 2002.
So you wouldn't even know, would you?
It looks like this was glued on before. Well, I say glued, siliconed on.
Looks decent, 85 quid.
85 quid.
Yeah.
For a new one, it even came in red.
Well, compare the look at that grill. It looks crap, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The one the black one's on.
The sun's in my eyeballs. Can't see now. So yes, Jake's going to change the bumper. I'm not doing the arch.
What?
You're doing the arch. Because you got to silicone it back on.
No, I mean, there's a bolt there, and then there's one on the inside, so I might as well do these two.
No, you do it, and I'll operate the cameras. Well, that's about it. I'm not bothered really about that. So.
Where are you going?
Back to the parcel shop, which is me. Oh bloody hell! I've missed a bit.
We'll get this done quicker if you help.
Jake's bought a sticker. However, he bought it in black, so it's gone for the stealth look.
Oh, you're going to say what it means?
It means shit rust bucket. So that's meant to say sloth garage.
Advertising that is.
However, it don't.
It says slow gauge.
Slow gauge.
I don't know how that works when you translate it and then it says that and then you translate it back and then it's something completely different.
Because Google Translate is always right. A bit like getting a tattoo that says you're a knobhead. Tell my 10.
Yeah.
See, you made some extra access. So if you ever need to take the bumper off, just run over a beaver, as Jake thinks he ran over.
I meant a badger.
While he was going through the bloody river.
Too big.
That's what Gaza 991999 said as well. There we are, one mangled bumper. Looks like badger went through there and out the other end. The beaver badger. That probably used to be fastened on somehow. Or probably to where slots in there, you know.
Well, the horn still works.
Looks like there's a bit more damage under here.
Well, Well, thankfully it didn't hit the radiator. Oh, well done, that was in there. There was nothing wrong with that.
Oh yeah. So it turns out Jake's bust the radiator as well.
No, the Badger. We'll clip that back on.
I'll leave it to her.
You being serious? You had to pull it?
Oh yeah. So you thought, oh, I'll just wait for him to touch it and then
No,
blame
you
him.
clearly have just damaged that.
Yeah. Because my name's Clark Kent. I ripped it. I broke that plastic just by looking at it.
Well, there was nothing wrong with it until you pulled it. I see it'll probably fall off now.
Well, if you can see, the radiator goes along and it kind of...
because you've just pulled it off.
Yeah, bent the radiator as well.
There's nothing wrong with the radiator. You'll pass me the clips.
What clips?
They're on there, next to the WD-40. Or the G85. You know you've lost some.
I haven't.
You got a hammer.
Back and forth, I'll do all the work.
I can't see the sun. Do you mind? Well, I meant, you know, a tiny hammer.
Yeah, I'll just go get the plastic one out. Ow! Don't break this side light.
I haven't broke the other one.
No, I mean you broke it on rust bucket. Costco machine.
Let me push, you pull at the same time.
Comes right out. As we know, these, ooh look, LEDs. Oh, that one might not work.
I think drill through.
I don't know what I said.
Drill through here, so you can cable tie. No, not there. Jesus Christ, through there. And then we can cable tie through there, and then one here to do there. But we've got to be careful about this. That might crack. Well, if somebody cracked, I mean, it might come off. No, I didn't mean there.
Where?
There.
Where? I can't see where you're doing.
Where I'm tapping.
Hello and good morning. Should traffic wardens be armed? In the studio.
That's how you get shanked.
What's the tyre? I need another one. I think cable ties could probably go down as one of the best inventions. I mean, look at that. It's incredible. You know, yesterday I baked some car parts. Today I'm cable tying a bumper.
Oh look, some blackberries.
Oh, do you want to have one?
No,
Why not?
you try one.
No, I'm alright, I'll probably be dead.
What size is that?
T30.
Don't forget to cable tie the temperature sensor back to the grill. So, just an observation, there seems to be a missing fog light. Why?
Alright, so it's a long story.
Go on.
So I noticed it was missing beforehand, and then when I went back, we saw it in the middle of the road, and then the warden drove over it.
The warden. This is the RSPCA warden, right?
Well, I don't know where he was from.
So he just released his badger into the wild and you mowed it down.
And then he ran over my fog light. It was in the middle of the road. I couldn't believe it. Went back, I thought, well, this is it. I've got it. I mean, you had to been there to be like, oh my God, what are the chances of this? I mean, look, it's as good as no. You would think nothing's ever happened to it.
Columbia, this is Houston.
Split out, don't you, bloody lemon?
There's no room. Nobody enjoys painting.
I'm enjoying doing this. Moment of truth, the parcel shelf is going back in and the next will be the carpet.